Hi and welcome to the review of the Samsung 32LS03C from the 2023 TV lineup. This is Samsung's smallest and most affordable the-frame TV, which I've bought for just over 260 euros to do this test. This line of lifestyle TVs has been on the market for several years now, and I wanted to see at which stage it is now. How did it perform and which unique features does it offer? Find out in this video. The unit I purchased was listed at one Croatian retailer at a reduced price. A brand new unit was going for over 400 euros, and this one was reduced significantly since it was a used unit returned by the previous customer. It had a full factory warranty, so I decided to give it a go. The unit came in the box with all the accessories, the One Connect box hadn't been opened before, and the protective film on the bezel was still present. The only traces of someone opening the box was broken styrofoam in one area and some dust across the screen, which quickly disappeared after cleaning. The remote control showed no signs of use, and most importantly, the TV was working fine. Now coming to the basic specs, this is a 32-inch LED LCD TV with quantum dot technology, 60Hz VA panel with Tizen operating system in version 7.0. Nothing unusual here, but when compared to other quantum dot 32-inch TVs on the market, like Samsung 32Q60C or Hisense 32A5KQ, it offers the following: Samsung Art Mode, Anti-Glare Matte Screen, Exchangeable Frames, Horizontal or Vertical Mode with Auto Rotate function, One Connect box, and Wall Mount Set. In addition, different accessories are available from Samsung specifically for their frame TVs, such as floor and full motion wall stands, special wall shelves, longer cable for One Connect box, and so on. Art Mode is the main attraction when it comes to the software portion of this line of TVs. You can access it from the home menu, and it will activate automatically as you turn off the TV with a short press of the power button. A long press will switch the TV to the regular standby mode. Samsung Art Store now holds more than 2,300 pieces of art, including works from the most distinguished artists, museums, and industry tastemakers, as Samsung stated in their press release from September 2023. You can preview any art piece from the gallery, but to display it without any limitation, you will need a subscription. Samsung is offering a trial period for the monthly subscription, which is a better deal since you can use the platform for 62 days and then you will need to pay 4 euros per month. Yearly subscription is without a trial period and it costs slightly more than paying on a monthly basis. I wanted to activate the trial period, but after several attempts on my phone and on my computer, I stopped trying. Either the checkout page was loading without end, or the web browser detected the site as not secured, or checkout was not successful. Anyway, too many troubles for a paid service from this well-known brand. As I was browsing through the gallery, I noticed that paintings I'm familiar with look different. It was not because they were displayed on the TV screen, but because they were cropped to fill up the 16:9 format. Because of this, you are not experiencing the entire art piece, but a detail of it. Some artwork has written that it is a detail from the original painting, but most of it is without any such remark. Unfortunately, there is no option in the art gallery to switch between original and cropped format, which I consider a big disadvantage. Luckily, there is a solution for this, as Samsung allows you to upload your images from the USB memory or SmartThings app, so you can upload art pieces in original format and display them like that. There is plenty of storage available for uploading hundreds of high-resolution images, so you can have your gallery and never look at what Samsung offers. In addition to uploading your images, you can adjust each with different frame sizes and colors. TV will remember individual settings for each image, which is a neat feature. However, on my unit I saw too many times error messages after I tried to do it. Even after doing a full factory reset and losing all picture calibration settings along the way, the error message kept appearing. On top of that, Tizen interface was very slow, so slow that sometimes I would shortly press the power button and continue browsing through the menus, and only after a few seconds TV would react to the first command. Outside of the art store, this is a typical Samsung TV. Picture processing is good, color accuracy is the best in movie mode for both SDR and HDR, and TV handles well all kinds of content. Screen uniformity was good, and there was almost no dirty screen effect present. There is a basic game mode implemented with low input lag of 17.7 milliseconds and HGIG support, though there is no game dashboard, VRR or other specific gaming items. Related to network connectivity, Samsung decided to implement Wi-Fi only. There is no Ethernet port, and the USB to Ethernet adapter did not work either. In addition, the LNA and UPnP did not work, so I could not connect to my network server. Finally, the TV has Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay and Samsung SmartThings support, so you can connect external devices, control home appliances, and so on. Time for the conclusion. Testing 32-inch The Frame TV from Samsung has left me with mixed impressions. On the positive side, I liked how the art is presented and that you can upload your photos or artwork. I also like the matte screen and the ability to use the TV in portrait mode. The solo remote and one connect box are a nice bonus. On the negative side, the art in the gallery is cropped to fill the entire screen, so you won't see it properly, especially the works of the old masters. The art menu has way too many sections and it is not easy to navigate through it. The voice assistant was more miss than hit. The same goes for settings, which are scattered in different menus. In addition, error messages and stability issues are something one would expect from a TV that just came on the market and not from last year's model, which probably had several software updates by now. Considering the price, I was expecting this model to be equipped with a native Ultra HD 4K screen. That way the art would be presented with more details and it would be a more attractive option for a PC monitor. It will be interesting to see how this year's models will perform and what the competition will offer. Do you own Samsung's The Frame TV? What's your opinion about it, and have you experienced the same or similar software issues? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please support my work by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Till next time, goodbye.